Sunita Williams, an American astronaut and United States Navy officer, has had a remarkable journey filled with determination, resilience, and groundbreaking achievements. Her life story is a testament to the power of perseverance, passion, and the pursuit of excellence. Below is a detailed account of her life journey, spanning her early years, education, military career, NASA achievements, and personal life. Early life and childhood. Sunita Lynn Williams, commonly known as Sunita or Suni, was born on September 19, 1965, in Euclid, Ohio, to Deepak Pandya and Bani Pandya. Her father, Deepak, was a renowned neuroanatomist of Indian descent, while her mother, Bani, was of Slovenian heritage. Sunita grew up in a multicultural household that valued education, curiosity, and hard work. Her parents instilled in her a strong work ethic and a sense of adventure, which would later shape her career. Sunita was the youngest of 3 siblings. She spent her early years in Ohio, where she developed a love for sports, particularly swimming. Her competitive spirit and athleticism were evident from a young age. She also had a keen interest in science and exploration, often dreaming about the stars and the mysteries of the universe. Education and early aspirations. Sunita attended Needham High School in Massachusetts, where she excelled academically and athletically. She was an accomplished swimmer and participated in various sports, including track and field. Her high school years were formative, as she began to consider her future career path. Inspired by her father's scientific background and her own fascination with space, she set her sights on becoming an astronaut. After graduating from high school in 1983, Sunita enrolled at the United States Naval Academy in Annapolis, Maryland. She pursued a degree in physical science and graduated with a Bachelor of Science in 1987. During her time at the Naval Academy, she continued to excel in sports and was a member of the swimming and diving teams. Her time at the Academy also honed her leadership skills and prepared her for a career in the military. Following her graduation, Sunita attended the Naval Postgraduate School in Monterey, California, where she earned a Master of Science in Engineering Management in 1995. Her academic achievements and military training laid the foundation for her future success. Military career. Sunita Williams' military career began in 1987 when she was commissioned as an ensign in the United States Navy. She underwent flight training and earned her wings as a naval aviator in 1989. She was trained to fly helicopters and was assigned to fly the SH-60B Seahawk, a multi-mission naval helicopter. Throughout her military career, Sunita demonstrated exceptional skill and dedication. She served in various roles, including as a helicopter pilot, instructor, and test pilot. She was deployed on multiple missions, including operations in the Mediterranean, the Red Sea, and the Persian Gulf during Operation Desert Shield and Operation Desert Storm. Her service earned her numerous accolades, including the Navy Commendation Medal and the Navy and Marine Corps Achievement Medal. Sunita's experience as a naval aviator and test pilot prepared her for the challenges of spaceflight. Her ability to remain calm under pressure, solve complex problems, and work as part of a team made her an ideal candidate for NASA's astronaut program. NASA career and space missions. In 1998, Sunita Williams was selected by NASA as an astronaut candidate. She underwent rigorous training, including spacewalk simulations, robotics training, and survival exercises. Her background in engineering, aviation, and leadership made her a standout candidate, and she was soon assigned to her first space mission. Expedition 1415, 2006 to 2007. Sunita's first spaceflight was aboard the International Space Station, ISS, as part of Expedition 14 and 15. She launched on December 9, 2006, aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery, STS-116, and spent a total of 195 days in space, setting a record at the time for the longest spaceflight by a woman. During her mission, she conducted 4 spacewalks, totaling 29 hours and 17 minutes, and became the first person to run a marathon in space, completing the Boston Marathon on a treadmill aboard the ISS. Her contributions to the mission were invaluable. She performed critical maintenance tasks, conducted scientific experiments, and helped expand the ISS's capabilities. Her record-breaking achievements earned her widespread recognition and cemented her place in space exploration history. Expedition 3233, 2012. Sunita returned to space in 2012 as part of Expedition 32 and 33. She launched aboard the Soyuz TMA-05M spacecraft on July 15, 2012, and served as a flight engineer for Expedition 32 before taking command of Expedition 33, becoming only the second woman to command the ISS. During this mission, she spent 127 days in space and conducted 3 spacewalks, bringing her total spacewalk time to 50 hours and 40 minutes. Her leadership during the mission was exemplary. She oversaw numerous scientific experiments, maintained the ISS's systems, and ensured the safety and well-being of her crewmates. Her ability to inspire and lead in the challenging environment of space earned her the respect of her peers and the admiration of people around the world. Boeing Starliner and future missions. In addition to her spaceflights, Sunita has been involved in the development of NASA's Commercial Crew program. She was selected as one of the astronauts for Boeing's CST-100 Starliner spacecraft, which is designed to transport crew members to and from the ISS. Her expertise and experience have been instrumental in advancing the program and ensuring the safety and success of future missions. Personal life and interests. Outside of her professional achievements, Sunita Williams is known for her humility, kindness, and adventurous spirit. She is an avid marathon runner and has completed several marathons on Earth, in addition to her historic run in space. She also enjoys outdoor activities such as hiking, biking, and swimming. Sunita is deeply connected to her Indian heritage and has expressed pride in her roots. She has visited India on multiple occasions and has been an inspiration to millions, particularly young women and girls who aspire to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics (STEM). Legacy and impact. Sunita Williams' contributions to space exploration and her trailblazing achievements have left an indelible mark on history. She has broken barriers, set records, and inspired countless individuals to reach for the stars. Her journey is a testament to the power of perseverance, passion, and the pursuit of excellence. As she continues to contribute to NASA's missions and the advancement of space exploration, Sunita remains a role model for future generations. Her story reminds us that with determination and hard work, anything is possible. This account of Sunita Williams' life journey highlights her extraordinary achievements and the qualities that have made her one of the most respected and admired figures in space exploration. Her legacy will continue to inspire and motivate people around the world for years to come.